The Czinger 21C is a groundbreaking American hypercar that has captivated automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Developed by Los Angeles-based Czinger Vehicles, this limited production marvel combines cutting-edge technology, sustainable engineering, and record-breaking performance, design, and innovation. At first glance, the Czinger 21C's design is nothing short of futuristic. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is the result of advanced computational modeling and 3D printing techniques. The car features a unique tandem seating arrangement, placing the passenger directly behind the driver, reminiscent of a fighter jet cockpit. This configuration not only enhances aerodynamics but also contributes to the vehicle's balanced weight distribution. The extensive use of 3D printing in the 21C's construction allows for components that are both lightweight and incredibly strong. This innovative approach to manufacturing has enabled Czinger to optimize every aspect of the car's structure for performance and efficiency, powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the Czinger 21C boasts a hybrid powertrain that delivers a staggering 1,250 horsepower. This is achieved through a combination of a mid-mounted 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 engine and two high-output electric motors powering the front wheels. The result is an all-wheel drive system capable of propelling the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. The 21C's performance figures are equally impressive across the board. It can complete a quarter-mile run in 8.1 seconds and reach a top speed of 268 miles per hour. Furthermore, the car's hybrid system is designed to run on various fuels, including carbon-recycled methanol and other e-fuels, showcasing Czynger's commitment to sustainability. Record-breaking achievements. The Czinger 21C has not only impressed on paper but also on the track. In August 2021, it set a production car lap record at Laguna Seca with a time of 1 minute and 25.44 seconds minutes. This record was later reclaimed in August 2024 with an even faster time of 1 minute and 24.75 seconds minutes. Additionally, the 21C set records at the Goodwood Festival of Speed Hilclim and the Circuit of the Americas, further cementing its status as a performance powerhouse, limited production and customization. Czinger plans to produce only 80 units of the 21C, making it an exclusive offering in the hypercar market. Customers can choose between two configurations, a high downforce track variant and a low-drag version optimized for top speed. Each car is built to the bespoke needs of its owner, ensuring a unique and personalized driving experience. Conclusion. The Czinger 21C represents a bold leap forward in automotive engineering. Its fusion of advanced manufacturing techniques, sustainable powertrain, and unparalleled performance sets a new benchmark in the hypercar segment. As Czinger continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, the 21C stands as a testament to innovation and the future of high-performance vehicles.